Welcome back to my scalp maxing series. Today the market hit all-time highs, and with all-time highs I do not trust trading on my funded account. So we decided to trade on a challenge account, which we're going to show you guys the breakdown here. We took two solid ass trades, one being on ES, which is the S&P 500s, as well as the second one being on gold. So let's break down both of those trades right here, right now, and show you guys the exact trade setups. So not only you guys can understand how to trade these kind of markets and these kind of setups, but also use them in your advantage and use them in your favor for when you guys see these kind of trade setups in the next session. Here's the first trade on my challenge account. As you guys can see, we did hit lockout on our funded account. We have two of them, but on our challenge account, we took a break and retest to the upside on micro S&P 500s. Now, very simply, the most simplest level that I traded was this very simple white level line, which is the all-time high. So what does that mean? That means if market gets a breakout above, then I'm watching for a pullback retest entry. Except this one pulled back, sold down below again because I don't really trust trading all-time highs. But when we got that second breakout to the upside, I entered here. As you guys can see, my two contract entries on this break and retest to the upside, and market just held that level and never climbed back down below, continued all the way up to the upside, and that was the first trade. Now the second trade was on gold using the very simple break and retest setup, because the most previous highs here, as you can see, if you just very simply use this as a breakout and a retest, you can see the retest happened here. So I didn't even have to go in a lower time frame to trade this. All I had to do actually was go in a higher time frame, identify the pullback, enter. Very solid day, guys. So I really do wish I actually traded on the funded account, but we'll take it. It's markets at all-time highs. It's Monday, Memorial Day weekend, 3-day weekend. Got to be very cautious, careful, and that's exactly what we did today. And every single day for the past, I don't know, like a year, we've been trading this very simple break and retest strategy. It's so simple. It's no indicators, no fancy tools, no extra charts needed. So if you guys want to learn, click the link in the bio. We have tons of people joining on in, and I'll see you guys in there. 7 days free. Why not join? Literally just 7 days free. If you don't like it, you cancel your subscription. Or if you do like it and you like the value in it, then stay along for the ride. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.